So Dad has told me not to mess with his precious trailer, and he told me to build my own.
What are you complaining about?
Dad told me not to mess with his precious trailer. So I'm building my own trailer. I have located my tires. This is going to be the thing that I'm gonna put inside here. It's kind of a loose fit, but it'll be all right. This idea with the metal rod does not end up working. The metal rod will not be strong enough. Okay, so here's the end of the first little montage of working on it. Even though I didn't record any of it, it's coming along pretty good. So I have now built my own trailer. The first true test of this new trailer is going to be the steel bed insert. Probably weighs like 400 pounds maybe. So the big metal thing is now sitting on there pretty nicely. Got it strapped down pretty good. I'm sorry I didn't get it on video, but while flinging the
he's still good to go
off,
though.
The axle has gotten bent a little bit. Looks like it's still good to go though. Alright, there it is. The two logs. I don't think the axle might be bending. The axle might be bending already. This side looks okay. Jasper, go faster. He's just spinning. Okay, so this side's still good. It's just the axle bent. The axle bent really early.
Yeah. But we'll beef that up.
So he's about to do a speed run.
Pop his tires off.
Here comes the driver.
Oh, this wheel. The other wheel went before.
Oh no. That's a lot of damage.
This is the one that.
Oh no.
Well, yeah, you know how some of the axle wasn't broken or bent? I think it might be a little bit bent now.
So it didn't last very long. I think it's pretty much totaled. I'll have to try again.